Let's talk about how you can generate more leads for your asphalt business. Judd Burden here from Asphalt Kingdom, and I want to provide some value to you that will help generate more leads for your asphalt maintenance business or paving business. Here we go. So YouTube is the largest video search engine that exists on the globe, and it is owned by Google, which of course is a monster powerhouse when it comes to search. And what you need to be doing is setting up your YouTube account. And as you set up your YouTube account, you'll be able to post videos relating to your services that you provide with your business. And so what you can do is actually record a video relating to a service that you might provide. Let's just, for example, say that it is service would be crack repair, parking lot crack repair. Well, what you would do is create a video that specifically targets your local market with asphalt crack repair. So you might say, let's say, Pontiac, Illinois, asphalt crack repair. And when people are searching for crack repair on Google, guess what happens? You end up being found at the top of Google generally because YouTube and Google have what's called a SERP setting that allows your video to be featured right on Google's first page. And if it's optimized really, really well with your description and you speak about keywords in your video like I'm speaking about right now, which is how to generate more leads for your asphalt business, if you speak about those words like Pontiac, Illinois crack repair, and you say that over and over and over again throughout the video, what happens is YouTube recognizes it as being optimized and a great result to fulfill someone's search. The cool thing too is that a lot of us don't know exactly what to write as the title, but we also don't know exactly what to write for the description, and we also don't know exactly what tags to put in for our video. So the cool thing is that there's a application, a plugin called TubeBuddy, T-U-B-E-B-U-D-D-Y. TubeBuddy can be installed right on your laptop, and what it'll do is review what it is that you're uploading as a video and tell you exactly what changes you should be making and things you should do to optimize it, not only for the viewer but for the search engines as well, which allows you to have a better chance of being indexed in YouTube when people are searching for services relating to your business in your local area. And it also allows you to be found at the top of Google through the SERP settings. So if you want to generate more leads for your asphalt business, what you should 100% do is set up a YouTube channel, step 1. Step 2, you should 100% start uploading videos that you shoot even from the comfort of a parking lot or a driveway with your phone, just like I'm doing right now with a selfie video, and you should speak about what it is that you do and how you can help in the local area. And then step 4, make sure that you use TubeBuddy to review and optimize what it is that you're working on for final delivery to both YouTube and Google that essentially will drive more leads for your asphalt business. Hope this helps, and feel free to comment below with any questions that you might have, because I'm always looking to help you, and so is our team at Asphalt Kingdom. If you're wanting to learn other ways that you can generate leads for your asphalt business, please do click on these next videos, and they will provide you with some insights on what platforms are helpful to generate more leads for your asphalt business. Have a great day.